Hi everyone, good evening to all. Today in this short video, let us see about the benefits of learning through activity, which is called as activity-based learning. So we have two things, one is project-based learning and activity-based learning. Now in this video, we can see a short glimpse on activity-based learning. So in recent years, there has been an ongoing debate about the impacts of using activity-based learning strategies instead of the traditional learning strategies in the classroom and their appropriateness to increase students' motivation and their attainment level. So the purpose of this study is to determine the influence of the activity-based learning on students' mind in order to achieve in comparison to passive learning and detect the students' views towards all the activities what they are doing, both academically as well as which is associated with all other academic activities also. So simulations, guided design, group discussions, problem solving, case studies, all these things can be mapped with activity-based learning. The thinking refers to reflections about the meaning of what students learn or about the learning process itself. So either way it can be linked or mapped with each other to create a complete set of learning activities which are capable of fostering significant learning. A comprehensive view of teaching learning activities is needed, which is achieved through activity-based learning. So in the past, the higher education literature focused attention on the instructor and the ways in which the subject matter could best be presented to the students. The emphasis was on, that means in the traditional method, the emphasis was on lectures and discussions, and the assumption was that learning consisted of a passive information or a passive activity in which learners or the students will receive information and ideas from authoritative sources, like they need the source. Okay, so although foundational knowledge, principles and theories are essential, researchers face the greatest challenges that an educator is mentoring students successfully by teaching hordes of students, all of whom have different personalities, different potentials, different capabilities and different learning preferences. That's what in a single classroom we will have multiple varieties of students. So all the students should have the same amount of knowledge after a particular session is over. So for all these things, the activity-based learning will help a lot for the students. So in this short video, I am here to describe the Teach Next activity as activity-based learning solution that delivers a new age technology and interactive classroom session and its doorway towards professional courses and a good outcome-based education. Bonwell and Eisen describes activity-based learning as involving students in doing things and thinking about the things they are doing. So doing refers to the activities such as debates, and thinking refers to how well the students are able to finish the particular task or understand the particular task. So in our institutions we are having both the project-based learning, activity-based learning through the design thinking process. What we are following through the 5 stages of design thinking such as empathy, define, ideate, prototype and evolve. So through these 5 stages in each and every course our students learn, they are able to see and imagine, and they are able to make a creative thinking through this process, which is also related with activity-based learning. So in our next session, we can see about project-based learning. So through this activity-based learning, students will develop creative thinking skills. They are student-led, it's more fun. So creativity is intelligence having fun, said by a great scientist. So let us all have a creative learning platform for us and also for our students. Thanks a lot for watching.